another exciting episode of Roller Coaster C/D. Today we are going on the log ride. We'll get wet, but we'll have a lot of fun. Alright, here we are on board the Splash Mountain log ride. Whoa. Gonna get a little wet, but who doesn't love getting wet? Am I right? Sorry, I'm shivering. It's really cold today. Here we go. Up the chain lift. This log is double file, meaning someone sitting next to me. Wow, Ray! Whoa! I'm gonna try to video this whole ride. This camera may or may not get wet. We'll find out. Oh man, hope they don't drop on us. Second hill here in our adventure. Oh, I'm feeling it, bro. Wild race! Oh, oh man. Oh. To some country music here. Brer Fox's Lair, Chickapin Falls, the Laughing Place. I see the top of the Disney Castle. I hear the character singers singing. Oh, we're going for a drop. And we're gonna get a little wet. Slip and falls. God dang it! No! I jumped just! Woo! Didn't get a little wet on this one. Oh, here comes some the Brer Rabbit characters now. And then I hear them singing.
Really good, show your ball. The weather is good, the fishing is fine. Oh, what do we do?
Here comes the dog. There's Brer Rabbit. Wow. This is more like a ride experience than an actual ride. Literally, I could do this all day long if I wanted to. It's so relaxing. Oh my gosh, look at that. He's sitting on an alligator, a crocodile, being brave.
He's a good joker like that. Where is this secret hiding place? Where is this
Oh no. Here comes another drop. Oh, Bear Rabbit peeking up the treetop. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, that was a tight turn there. And it's dark now. Nope. Oh, here comes another one. Oh my god! Enter at your own risk. Hi, groundhogs. Enter at own risk. DANGER. Go back. Brer Fox's lair. And look, there's going to be another weird picture. He's helping with Brer Rabbit here. Oh man. There, the birds are. It's like they're under a thunderstorm. Thunderstorm here. Oh, and it looks like we're coming to a very, very, very tall drop. Perhaps is that the end of our adventure? We'll find out next week. Oh, Brer Rabbit's too scared. This is a very clunky sounding ride. Oh no! Oh man. Oh, I got all wet now. Oh, look at that. Oh man. That's what happens when you sit in the front, you get the most wet. Getting to enjoy the warm sun for a minute. Oh, we're going for a waterfall. Pass it over here. Oh no, we are going for another little drop here. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, we're gonna take a little drop. Oh, our journey's still going on. We get to go back and to celebrate. Welcome home, Brer Rabbit, it says. Zippity lady. Oh, the crocodile's eating his tail. battle with some loggies that too many people are getting on. You know.
Home sweet home is the lesson today. Don't you worry, Mr. Bluebird. I learned my lesson. I'm glad you didn't hold chicken tail this time, Granny. Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. It's the truth, it's the truth, it's the truth.
There are too many logs. It's the truth. It's actual. And it looks like we're back at the station. Give this song zippity-doo-dah. Alright. And we're oh yeah. But yet, since we're pulling back into the station, that's going to do it for this episode of Roller Coaster C/D. Thanks for watching, thanks for riding. Having up to your epic in the very near future. Survive!